Hi, this video is about how to create semi-recessed basin like this. Let's go into customize bathroom cabinet. Okay, layout to double door cabinet. Okay, this one I will put 1000. Then the next one 800. Okay. Then add worktop. Okay, select the worktop edging. Set the thickness to 300. Then select worktop material. Okay, select the basin layout mode. Choose the stage basin and press confirm. Now you have the worktop ready. Okay, next, right click the cabinet, select sink and tap sink. Choose a sink from above counter. Okay, then select a faucet. Double click to confirm. Close the pop-up when done. Next, click on the sink. And we're going to change the sink thickness to 300 and the elevation change to 600. Then move it out about 50 and to the left at -500. Don't forget to move up the faucet as well. We are almost done. So if you would like to delete the bottom cabinet, you have to switch to board selection mode first, else the sink and faucet will be disappear together with the cabinet. Let me show you now. Okay, see? The sink disappeared. So be sure to switch to board selection mode first, then delete all cabinets components. Press Ctrl to select multiple parts and delete. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.